y'all, welcome back to another video. Hey, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe before leaving. My name is Avrel, and this is Home with a Naturalista. As you can see, this is a very short video, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys some motivation for cleaning, even when we feel like we do not want to. As you can see, I really didn't want to because I still had Christmas decor up, and all that stuff needed to be put in the basement. So why not go ahead and record and just give you guys a little bit of motivation. Get up out of that bed, get the cleaning, because the best feeling is when it's all done. Everything is where it belongs. Dishes are cleaned. Everything is put away. It's an awesome feeling. So get up, y'all. Do what you got to do. Get that mop. Get that vacuum. Wipe it down. Do what you got to do. If you need help, get the fam like I did, because I sure hell didn't want to do it by myself. Excuse my language. But yes, it was an awesome time. It was about almost 70 degrees that day. So everybody was in the mood, sort of, kind of. But I just wanted to go ahead and post this so you guys can get some type of motivation for cleaning. And I hope it worked. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time. Do not forget to subscribe before leaving. Please hit that notification bell, and you will be notified whenever a new video is posted, as well as liking and sharing. Thank you guys so much. Feel free to comment down below, and have a good rest of the week. guys, I just wanted to come back and tell you again, thank you so much for tuning in. As I said before, we went ahead and switched out the tables. And yeah, let me know if you want to see the video of me actually decorating the living room with our spring decor. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.